From Elizabethan times, classical ornaments, pediments and door shells were stuck onto buildings as fashionable decorations. This Bristol almshouse dates from 1691. But Georgian architecture is distinguished by its sense of balance, its harmony, and its strict adherence to the principles of classical architecture. The first principle was mathematical proportion. There was a firm belief that certain visual proportions, squares principally, were the key to architectural beauty and harmony. The second principle was the use of classical columns. An order is a column and the entablature which it supports. There are three essential types: the Doric, shown here in the circus, the Ionic, and the Corinthian. They can be used to order a facade or to decorate and draw attention to a particular feature. The new buildings also accommodated the less harmonious principles of business. As in London, Edinburgh, and other expanding cities, these were speculative developments, built to be sold at a profit. The developer leased a site from the landowner, usually for 99 years, and then sublet the individual plots to less wealthy speculators, most of whom were building tradesmen. The sublease not only laid down some planning restrictions and standards of construction, but also ensured the overall uniformity of the street, including a design of the front elevation. There was no control of the interior or the rear elevations. Most Bath architects began their working lives as craftsmen, and their professional life was inseparable from the rough and tumble of the speculative building world. In general, interiors and rear elevations, and many entire streets, were designed by master builders and their workmen, who supplemented their own experience with pattern books. These contained page after page of fashionable designs. This pocket-size edition could be consulted up a ladder or laid out on a bench. Once the design was agreed, it was the developer's responsibility to prepare the site for building.